I am bored with my hair. This happens every so often. I just get the feeling I need a change, and know it's that one thing that we can always change: our hair. So I just got back from Sally's and I have a little idea of what I want to do. So I went to Sally's and I'm going to be doing the foxtail hair trend. Like, love this look. I think it's so cute, and I think it'll be easy to do with my hair because it's like just the tips. So when you don't like it, I'll just cut my hair short. My hair is super long right now, and I like to do like a summer chop. So it's the perfect time to dye the hair fun. So then I can just like cut it all off. A lot of stuff first. So I really don't know. I was like gonna give myself a little bit more highlights to make it like a little bit blonder first, but I'm pretty blonde. I don't even know if I need to do this. So I got a bleach kit. I usually get like, I love these bleach kits. This is Arctic Fox bleach kit because they make the formula already with like conditioning shit. It's like infused with oils and stuff. So this is like a good bleach kit. I do my own hair. I haven't gone to a hairdresser in like 10 years. I got a toner. This is the toner I usually use. It's T11 Lightest Beige Blonde. But like I said, I don't know if I even need to bleach and tone because like it's, my roots are pretty good right now, but I just kind of wanted it a little blonder. I'm still debating though, because if I do bleach, tone, then dye, it's gonna be all day. I spent $66 on all this stuff, by the way. Okay, so this is a developer. You need a developer when you're using toners or hair dyes. So this is just like a 10 developer. I wasn't sure what like ginger color I wanted because I wanted orange, but I didn't want like one of those full-on neon orange, like a manic panic type of color. I didn't want a super unnatural orange, even though that's kind of what all the pictures were. But I got like these ginger colors. I got two to try. So one is called Titan Red Blonde by Wella Color Charm, and then I got this color by Bond Bar just because it like really stuck out to me, and it's called Light Copper Blonde. So these are in the natural end of oranges, but like I wanted it, I kind of wanted it to blend like that and not be so unnatural, even though it's a very unnatural hair dye. This is Fox. All right, and then I got black. So we got black, we got the copper, so then we do the tips, like a little fox. And then I just got this brush because it's like a small, I have some brushes to use, but this is, I liked the way this was like a small angled brush, because for the black, I'm literally going to be hand brushing just the very tips. So I don't know if you took my poll, and if you voted for Luna Moth, I'm sorry, but that one is gonna be next. Because since fox tips are really just like the tips of your hair, once I cut those off, I'm gonna do the green, and then, you know, fun times. Okay, I think what really makes fox tip hair stand out from everything I've seen in the picture is layers. So I did cut my hair a little bit yesterday to do layers, if you can't tell. And the way I like to do it the best, and I might do it even more, because I like the really dramatic layers, the shagginess of like the fox tips. That's like my favorite, because I want it like you look like you got tips hair, and then you look like you have tips hair. How I did it was I kind of put my top layer hair back, left my bottom layer completely uncut because I will be doing a chop. And those are my layers, but I think I might even do even shaggier layers because I just want the tips to be like, you know, I think I might even cut my bangs a little bit shorter. So we're gonna do a slight haircut. I did do a wet cut, so now we need to do a little bit of a dry cut. And then we're gonna get going, and I'm gonna like do a little bit more research to decide what one of these I wanna use. Let's do a little before, boring. I don't even think I need to do the roots. I just wanted it to be like really pretty. Let's go. Got my hair dyeing shirt on. So I did end up doing a bleach and tone. That was boring, so I didn't even record it. I'm gonna wrap my hair in foil to get the best coverage. Kind of up higher and then whoop down, so like that. See, even my gloves right now, I'm lucky that it's light dye on it. Because that was a little hard. I'm gonna save my black dye right here in case I wash it all off and I'm like, excuse me, what the fuck, you know? I'm seeing the vision. Pray that this comes out good, because I am nervous. Alright, so it's literally hours later. It took so long. I had to do the black like multiple times. But it is finally done.